How will be the new year 2025? In today's video, we'll talk about how new year looks for Libra, Scorpio and Sagittarius zodiac signs. But if your zodiac sign is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, then I already made the video for you which is available in my channel. So do check out that. And in this video, we'll also try to maintain the same accuracy. So in this video, we'll discuss about Libra, Scorpio and Sagittarius. Will it give good things or bad things? So you can plan accordingly. Now let's get started. But before that, if you are first time on my channel, then this is the auspicious time to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now we will start with the Libra. How will be the new year 2025 looks for you? For Libra people, new year brings positive outcomes. It will be positive time period. And talking about your career, at the starting you will hear some good news, and in second half during April to June you will mess with your boss or senior. And this time Saturn is sitting in the 6th house and aspecting 12th house, so you will get a chance to travel to abroad where you will be traveling for education or job. But in the documentation you will face many hurdles, but you will go for sure. And this year is for the accident as well, so drive carefully and take care of your liver and lungs, so you might face some difficulties. And this time take care of your health if you have chronic illness, because this time Saturn is sitting in 6th house, which is your disease house, and will give you chronic disease. So consult with your doctor and take proper medication. And Saturn has the 10th aspect on 3rd house, which is your sibling house, so they may have instability in their career or in their marriage. And this time Jupiter will be in the 9th house, which is your ancestor house, so you will get the blessing of ancestor. And 9th house is also for the father. If he does the job or business, then this year will be beneficial for him. And for students, if you are planning for higher education, then this is the time you can go for it. And if you are not planning, then you will also plan to learn something new. You have a little tilt this time, and chances are there you will learn something online. And this time you will come across honest people, and you will feel that honesty is the best policy, and you will try to be honest. And as I said, Jupiter is in the 9th house, aspecting 1st house, so you will gain the weight. So eat healthy, do exercise, then you can avoid this one. So overall, we can say that at the starting of the year, you will get many opportunities. So go hard and shine. For students, this year will be with many hopes. And this time with hard work, you need to be focused, because many things will happen in the life that will distract you. And when you want to study, then suddenly you will see your girlfriend, boyfriend or friends are coming and distracting you. They're asking, let's go outside, let's do party. They can afford to waste the time. They can have this luxury, but you don't have. You have to ask this question to yourself, because after few years, no one is going to see how much you enjoyed. They are going to see how much money you make. And trust me, once you have the money, then you can enjoy much better. And last phase of the year will be very busy doing multiple things, mostly during November, December. And for married life, looks little difficult. Your partner might face some health issue, and partner might get aggressive, and this is the reason for your fights. And you will face miscommunication and misunderstanding with your partner in love relationship and in marriage. In both the things you will face. And for family life, it will be good time period. You will see the increase of social status, and you will do the charity along with your family. And because of the workload, you will face stress, so do meditation. It will be really beneficial for you. And remedy for this year, wear 7 Mukhi Rudraksh. It will be beneficial for you. And feed cow. Now this is all about the Libra. Now comment what will be your new year resolution in 2025. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Scorpio. How will be the new year 2025 looks for you? For Scorpio people, this year will be mixed. For Scorpio people, Saturn will be in the 5th house, which is aspecting your 7th house. So you will see delay in marriage and fights in marriage. And you will see that marriage proposal is coming, but things are not working according to you. You are searching for a particular thing, but you are not able to get that. And in this time, if you are planning for baby, then you will see the delays. And if you are already having the children, then you will be worried because they are not studying properly. And in this time, you will be visiting any ancient place like Golconda or Taj Mahal. And for professional life, you will be having some kind of disturbance. So you have to be careful during the July to September. And this time you have to work really hard for that. And for business, if you're doing the foreign related business, then you will get the growth and you will get new contact or new business partner this year. And this time is for betterment and growth. You have to change your thought process. You have to change your pattern. Then only you can stand out different. You have to see how surrounding people are doing. You have to keep your eye on competitors, how they are doing, what they are doing. You have to change yourself according to the market, and you have to catch the trend, then only you can survive. So change according to the trend and focus on that, then only you can survive and you can get the growth. As a Scorpio sign, you are the master at doing things deeply, and especially if you are into the business, then quickly adapt new things and change it, which will make you successful. And after May, your financial condition will be improved. You will see growth in your financial condition because of some planetary combination, and you will get many opportunities or sources to make extra money. Somehow you will get the some extra sources or path to make enough money, and you will not sit idle, and because of this you will get the satisfaction. And if your money is stuck, this time you will get it back, and this time your mother will face some health issues, and this year is not so good for the marriage and love relationship. For students, this year will be good for you. You will get the admission in reputed institute, and whatever you studied, you will get the desired results. So we can say that keep doing study and keep growing. And this time you will hear some kind of rumors where people have started talking bad about you. You don't deserve this one. You don't have any skill. You are not worthy enough to get this one, or you have some kind of relationship with someone. This kind of rumors you will have, but it's just rumors. It's not a truth. You don't have to get affected or afraid of it. With time it will pass away. And this time you have to be careful about your stomach. You will have some kind of stomach related issues, so work on your diet and exercise and do meditation. And this time you will visit Hanumanji temple or any famous Hanumanji temple you will visit during August September. So overall we can say for Scorpio people, this year will be for making yourself skillful and be better version of yourself, and this time universe will force you to be that, and if you are not doing it, so if you are watching this video, so make yourself ready for that. So at the starting it will show you the reality, it will bring you down, and it will make you open your eyes and see the reality where you are, what you are doing, and now it's time for you to change yourself. Now it's time for you to improve yourself, and this time will show you you haven't changed yourself, you haven't improved yourself, you haven't learned any new skill, so because of that you are stuck, and this is the time for you to make the change in your life. And if you haven't changed yourself, then in coming time you will not exist. So if you are watching this video, you need to improve something related to your profession, and you need to learn some skill this time, and before that you need to change your mindset, and this time you can't escape from the work, you need to put more efforts, you can't run away from the work, you have to work really hard this time. And this time Saturn is aspecting your 11th house, so you will see that you have less friend left with you, and you will have some kind of fight or argument with your relatives. And this time Mars will be sitting in your 9th house, so father might get BP or cholesterol related issue, so take care of his health. And now remedy for this year chant the Hanuman Chalisa, visit Hanuman temple, and if you are not the devotee of Hanumanji, then become the devotee, then only you will see the good result in entire year. Now this is all about the Scorpio sign. Now comment what will be your new year resolution in 2025. Now we will move forward and we'll discuss about the Sagittarius, how will be the new year looks for you. In one line we can say that for Sagittarius people, it will be the exciting year for you. And this time Saturn is sitting in your 4th house, which is your mother house, property, luxury, comfort, and your family environment house. So this time you will see that you will have the lack of peace in your home, you will have some kind of fight or argument in your home, and because of that you want to leave your house. So you will think that let me go for the study or let me go for the job, and then you will leave the house. And this all happened because of the Saturn, and Saturn is a god of sorrow, and where he sits there he'll create some problems, so you will see all the problems in your home environment. And this time you will be more focused on self development, self improvement, and for that you will be upgrading yourself and learning new things. And during April, May, your mother might get some health related issues, especially leg or knee or any bone related issues she might get. So take care of her health. And this time Saturn is aspecting your 10th house. So you will be working like hell, and you will be craving for change, because this time you will think that I have done enough job. Now it's enough for me. I have done everything for this organization. Now let me switch my job. I'm not getting desired respect over here, or I want to start my own business. Something you want to do this time, and you will be craving for that. And if you want to start something of your own, then check your horoscope before that. And this time you wanted to have some kind of change. Either you will switch job or you will start something of your own. On other hand, your father will see shortage of money. So it means that your father will get retired. So which will give you fluctuation in his money. And this time Saturn is aspecting your 1st house. So where you will see that you started talking very slowly and your work is also getting delayed. and Saturn is aspecting 6th house. So this year is not good for taking loan. If you are planning for the big loan, then try to have the small loans or try to avoid that if you can. So it will be problematic to repay that. And even though you will see that for getting loan also you are facing some kind of problems and slowness. And this time you will be having the confidence in you and you will be motivating yourself to do the work and you are not making any excuses. You will be having the attitude, let's do it. And now bring it on, I'm ready to do it. And this time Jupiter will be in your 7th house, and where Jupiter is inhabited, there it will create the problems. But where Jupiter is aspecting, there it will give the tremendous results. So where you will see that you will be having the problem in marriage, or you have fights in your marriage, or you are getting delays in your marriage. And this fights and argument in marriage you will notice during May to September time period, and your in-laws will also have the interference there. And some married couple will plan for the baby, they might get the medical issues, and in this time period your partner is going to gain the weight. So take care of their health and diet. So this time Jupiter is aspecting your first house. So you will have good health, not any major issue you will have, but only you will have sensitive stomach, which means that you are not able to eat anything at any time. And Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house, which is your profit and gain house, which means that you have to take a step and then you can witness the magic. And if you're doing the business with relatives or with your friends, then you can get the more profit. And this time Jupiter is aspecting your 3rd house, which is your hard work house. So you can see that with less hard work you are getting more profit, so which means that less effort, more profit. And you will get many opportunities in this year to grow, and you will see all the changes in the mid of the year. So we can summarize it, you are getting growth, but after facing the challenges, then only you are getting the growth. And after May, when Jupiter will transit, then you will see that things are coming on track, where hard work is reduced and you are getting more profit with less effort. And you will see that your financial condition is also improving, and even you will go towards new source of income. And for students, if you are planning for competitive exam or higher education, then after May you will get the success. If you are willing to have the admission in reputed institute, then you will get the success. And even many Sagittarius students will purchase new course or doing certification or trying for the internship. So which means that this time Sagittarius students don't want to sit idle, depend on luck or college placement. They are more serious about their career and putting more efforts this time. And this time you will get money in share market or selling the property. And this time you need to understand importance of saving, because you will see the fluctuation in your money and your mental peace will also reduce. So you need to have backup ready for yourself. And this year you will be traveling and enjoying with your family. You will be traveling to religious places as well. Overall, we can say that you will be seeing the changes, but not that smoothly, but you have to accept that changes. Then only you can see the good results. For marriage and love relationship, this is not the good year. For students, this is the good year. And for business, it will be mixed. But if you are doing the foreign related business, then this is the good time period for you. So this year, don't make any perception. Don't believe in anyone. Just be practical this time. Here, on alternative months, you will feel stressed and feels lack of peace. And mostly it's due to work, because you want expansion, growth, and you want more and more things in your life. So which is good also, but do the meditation, it will help you to in this situation. And remedies for this year, offer water to people tree and visit Gurudwara and have langar prasad over there. Now this is all about the Sagittarius sign. Now comment what will be your new year resolution. Now this is all about the 3 zodiac sign. Now we will wind up over here, and for remaining zodiac video will be uploaded in my channel. And now you can share this video with whose zodiac is Libra, Scorpio and Sagittarius. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and we will meet in the next segment. So till then, Hari Om.